Hey, Drew here, and showing you my new, to me, Campbell Hausfeld, the 13-gallon, 4 horsepower air compressor. I picked it up off of Let Go for, what was it, $80 I think? Works extremely well, just did not come with wheels or a handle or pretty much anything else. I had to add the gauges and the other accessories onto it because the previous ones were broken. Actually, I still got one previous one on here, it's still functional, so I added this one on to double check and make sure it was accurate. It's about 5 psi off, so it's not too bad. But today I'm going to show you how to build a cart for this air compressor out of a old bed frame. And here we go. Okay, first you're gonna find yourself an old bed frame. Usually around here, we can find it in an alley or thrift store if you want to pay some money for it. But check the alleys, dumpsters, and whatnot around the colleges, and you can pick them up for free. Usually 1/8 inch to 3/16 inch thick angle iron. You're gonna take your initial piece, make all your measurements on it. Like this one here, for example, I still got one more piece to cut. And then you're going to cut it into all your individual pieces. And here in a second I'll show you a clip of me welding them together and then fitting it onto the air compressor and then figuring out how I'm going to do tires after that. Alright, stick with me. Shoddy welds at best. I mean, yeah, good penetration on them. Just by the heat signature, it's good. Powder right there, but my heat settings is minimum and maximum, so I don't really have much to work with. At my job, I use a stick welder, MIG welder, TIG welder, yeah, all professional production series stuff. But while use at home, I can only afford to get myself a 0.4 welder for the time being. First part. Now move on to the next part. Something you have to keep in mind whenever you're welding anything that's galvanized. You don't have a proper respirator. I really suggest you hold your breath for the time that you're welding and then step away from the fumes to take the breath. Because the vapors coming off of the galvanized metal is very poisonous. It's a poisonous nickel vapor. If anyone else has more information on that, please feel free to put that in the comment section. I have not had much experience with welding galvanized. I just do know that is not a great idea. But it is what it is. Continue. Quick few welds. Not the greatest. They'll definitely hold. They got good penetration. Okay, here's what it looks like welded to the cart. This is going to be the end to part 1. This is getting fairly late out. I got it ready to edit this before I upload it. Get ready to go to work. She works nicely. I got the wheel locks here in the back, so when I get it in place, just step down on it and locks the wheel in place. See you in part 2. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and have a great night.